If you got mad pump, flex it. You looking weak, dog. Hit the exit. The ball ain't bending.
Hey, Joel.
Hey,
When your reps are ending.
Joel.
That's so swole,
Joel.
that's damn tremendous. The
Joel, hey! What?
At the end is beef.
What barks like a dog and can be heard from space? My subwoofers!
Brett, hi. Hey, would you want to go see a movie with me this Friday?
Actually,
Wait, how did I beat you here, Ricky Bobby?
had to get my beef broth, bro.
Account staff. A new position as senior account manager is available. This new position would include a heavier workload, a salary increase, additional benefits, and that beautiful corner office. Over the next several days, I'll be monitoring your performance to make the decision on who deserves this promotion.
Thank you so very much.
Yes, Joel. What can I help you with?
I got your email, and I'm really interested in the new position.
Well, you have a definite shot at it. You land that Wilkes account, then we'll talk.
I'm your guy.
Great, Joel. Let me know if I can help you with anything. Oh, is there something else, Joel?
No, that was it. Have a nice day.
Hold the elevator. Joel! Joel! Wait!
Great the way we are selling more and more and more.
Brad, how nice of you to join us today. Only 10 minutes late this time. Almost, man. Almost.
Sorry, Miss King.
This month we plan on starting to introduce our new powerful household cleaner titled Kablooey with the motto, "Say goodbye to grease and dirt." We plan on introducing to this market starting early next week. For next month, we hope to have I'm so sorry, I don't know where those came from. Let's continue, shall we?
Hey there, Mr. Johnson. I'd like to take you out to lunch sometime. How about my country club, the Water Rock, around noon tomorrow? Tennis? Funny you mention that. I actually played some in high school. You're talking to an all-state singles player right now. All right. I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye.
Thanks for bobbing along now. Bye-bye.
What are you doing here? Tiffany?
I was so happy to get your email about tonight. I've been waiting for this forever.
I think there's been a mistake.
I'm Bob Long. I want to thank you guys for coming out tonight.
I think there's been a mix-up. I was supposed to meet here with a client.
Here's some complimentary Bob Long's Bay Biscuits. Enjoy.
Welcome to Bob Long's Bistro Bar and Grill. What can I get you to drink?
Oh, water.
I think there's been a mistake.
Congratulations.
Oh, Brad! Oh my God!
No, 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 no. I didn't invite you here. I didn't plan any of this. I don't want to marry you.
You hurt my heart!
Brad!
Mr. Johnson!
Hey, Brad. Meet our competition. This is Edward Wilkes, my longtime friend, president and CEO of the Wilkes Company, and his partner.
Bread, right?
It's bread, actually.
Oh, bread, like the food.
No, it's B-R-E-D-D. The second D is silent.
Oh.
How was the big day last night? I hear the congratulations are in order.
You two know each other?
Yes, actually. Joel and I are both associates at Shibler Advertising. I believe Wilkes is our potential client as well.
What a small world. I had no idea you had such exquisite taste in clientele.
All right, let's play ball.
Brad, Joel, my office, now. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know how you boys did it, but you landed the Wilkes and Johnson accounts. And since you make such a great team, I have another job for you. I want the client database organized by tomorrow morning.
Will do, Miss King.
We're on it. Are you almost done yet?
I would be if you'd stop talking to me.
Whoa, chill, Federer. Don't be bitter just because I wiped the court with your face today.
Wiped it? You're full of shit.
Shouldn't have messed with my love life, man.
Love life, more like a lack thereof.
You know nothing about me.
I know you're a prick.
What did you say?
I said you're a prick. Holy crap!
Oh my god, look what you did!
What I did? What you did?
Shut up, just turn it back on!
It won't turn on.
Well, where's the backup drive?
There is no backup drive. What are you doing?
We need to re-enter all the accounts from scratch. Quick, grab that folder.
This could take all night.
Well, let's get to it.
Red, Joel, gather yourselves. Meet me in the conference room. Take a seat, gentlemen. Let's get to it. Last night, I got on the client database to see how you were progressing, and much to my surprise, I found the entire database completely wiped clean. Jeez. But this morning, I came in early to find an entirely new database and program had been created to track our clients. And I must say, it's so much easier to use. This new database is going to save you time and our company money. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our 2 new senior account managers. Congratulations, gentlemen, and welcome to your joint corner office.
If you got mad pump, flex it. You looking weak, dog, hit the exit. The bar ain't bending, you're just pretending. Sets keep going when your reps are ending. Lats so swole, delts damn tremendous. The protein shake at the end is beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
If you got mad pump, flex it. You looking weak, dog, hit the exit. The bar ain't bending, you're just pretending. Sets keep going when your reps are ending. Lats so swole, delts damn tremendous. The protein shake that I grab at the end is beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Beef broth, bro.
Do you even live, bro? Do you even live?
Congratulations.